Welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can reset the service required indicator of a Jaguar XF 2009 model. When you turn the ignition on, there is an indicator popping up like this, and in this short video I'm going to show you I can reset it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start right away. First of all, turn the ignition off. Then we're gonna use the fog light button on the left side and the trip button over here. You have to be very quick in order to be able to reset it. So the first step is ignition off, then press the fog light button, the rear fog light button. While you press that, turn the ignition on or press the ignition on, and after the ignition is on, release the rear fog light button, press immediately the trip button on the left side and back the rear fog light button, and you'll see that the indicator says that it's resetting the surface indicator. So once again, rear fog light button on, press rear fog light button again, and you'll see that it says resetting surface mode, and keep both buttons pressed for 10 seconds. Surface mode reset, and you'll see that it shows that the surface mode has been reset. Do the check: ignition off, ignition back on, and you'll see that the indicator about the surface won't show up anymore. The trick is to be very quick. After releasing the rear fog light button, you have to press the trip and the rear fog light button immediately after each press, and it must show that the surface indicator is resetting itself. That was it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.